YouTube is a great way to watch live events like Coachella across all your devices. In this video, we'll show you how to watch live streams on your phone, computer, and TV, and show you how to use features like Multiview, Watch With, and live shopping. There are two ways to watch Coachella live on YouTube during weekend 1 or weekend 2 of the festival. First, you can use the YouTube app on your smart TV or mobile device. To watch, open the YouTube app, then go to the Coachella YouTube channel. If you don't see the YouTube app, you'll have to download it using the App Store on your device. Your other option to watch is to go to youtube.com/Coachella. Once you're on the Coachella channel, here's what you need to know to watch live. If you want to get notifications for set start times, click the bell icon. This will send notifications for both weekend 1 and 2 set times. The full schedule of live stream set times will be posted on the YouTube channel and in the Coachella app before each weekend. Note, not every performance will be live streamed. During both festival weekends, you'll see upcoming and current live streams shown in channel sections organized by stage. On your smart TV, select stage live streams may be available to stream in 4K. You'll also see preset multi-view streams which let you watch up to 4 different stages at the same time. Here's how to control your multi-view experience on your TV. To hear audio from a different stage, use the direction pad on your remote to highlight the stage you want to hear. To make one of the stage streams full screen, use the direction pad on your remote to highlight the stage you want to see, and then press the select button on your remote. Press the back button on your remote to return to the multi-view stream. If you happen to miss a set, don't worry. We'll rebroadcast each day's live stream lineup after the final set of the night until the live stream resumes the following day. At any time, you'll be able to watch on-demand highlights, replays of artist performances, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content. Now that we've got the basics down, let's talk about the Watch With and shopping features that take Coachella from home to the next level. Watch With lets you watch Coachella alongside creators and artists. To use this feature, go to the creators channel during weekend 1 or 2. Next, go to their live tab and select the Watch With Coachella stream. Then, the Coachella stream will open up in the video player with the creator commentary screen and live chat beside it. If you're into official merch, you can even shop during the live streams or when you watch videos from the Coachella YouTube channel. All you have to do is find the shop icon in the control panel or video description. Using your phone, scan the QR code to complete the checkout process. If you want to learn more about watching Coachella on YouTube, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Enjoy Coachella and subscribe to YouTube viewers for more tips and tricks.